This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the device and app ready, then taking the first actionable steps. Unlock the device and open settings right arrow voice or assistant. Enable microphone and voice input immediately because the feature can't work without permissions. Once done, grant required permissions for notifications and any requested data access so the assistant can perform tasks. Make sure you're in a quiet place and connected to Wi-Fi. You're now ready to set the wake word and proceed to training. Now you'll configure and train the assistant so it recognizes you reliably. Choose the preferred language and voice model. Selecting your primary dialect reduces misrecognition. When prompted, record 3 5-wake phrases, speak naturally, at normal volume, and pause briefly between attempts so the model captures your cadence. Next, adjust sensitivity or hot word detection so the assistant responds without false triggers. Finally, link necessary accounts like calendar or email to enable. Finish by activating and verifying full functionality. Say the wake word, then issue 3 sample commands such as "What's my next event?" or set a 10-minute timer to confirm end-to-end operation. If responses are delayed or inaccurate, tweak sensitivity or reposition the device's mic and make sure background noise is minimal. If activation still fails, reboot the device, regrant microphone permission in settings, or retrain the voice model. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get your voice command working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.